Sin x divided by x squared is a quotient of functions, so to take its derivative, we need to use the quotient rule, which tells us the derivative of f divided by g is f prime g minus g prime f all over g squared. F is the numerator, which in our case is sin x, and g is the denominator, which in our case is x squared. So having identified those two pieces, let's proceed using the quotient rule to take the derivative. The derivative of sin x over x squared, beginning with the numerator, is f prime g minus g prime f. F prime is the derivative of the top function sin x, and the derivative of sin x is cosine x. We then have to multiply that by g, the denominator, so we multiply by x squared. Then subtract g prime times f. G is that function in the denominator, x squared. So g prime is the derivative, 2x. Multiplied by f is multiplied by sine x. We then divide by g squared, the denominator squared, and the square of x squared is just x to the fourth because we multiply the exponents. So this is the derivative. Now we just have to do some simplification. In the numerator, both terms have a factor of x, so we will take that factor out. Thus, taking the x out of cosine x times x squared leaves us with cosine x times x. Taking the x out of minus 2x sine x leaves us with minus 2 sine x. In the denominator, we still have x to the 4, but now we have a factor of x in the numerator that we can cancel out with one of those factors of x in the denominator. So now we'll have 3 factors of x in the denominator. And that gets us here to our final answer. The derivative is x cosine x minus 2 sine x, all divided by x cubed. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my Calculus 1 course and Calculus 1 exercises playlists in the description for more.